create a voyage in Apics Barge. In the Voyage Planning module, you can see an overview of your active and previous voyages, and you can add new voyage. There's 3 types of voyages: arrival, passage, and next voyages. Select a ship in the list of ships to consult the voyages of that ship. In order to create a new arrival or passage voyage, go to the menu in the ship's record, or add a new arrival or passage voyage using the button at the top. Select the name of the desired ship in the drop-down menu. If your ship is not in the drop-down menu, the ship is still unknown for your company in the Apics system, or you do not have an authorization for it in Apics Barge. Just go to the Linked Ships module and see the Manage Vessels tutorial. Enter all the voyage details. Please note that all the fields with a red asterisk are compulsory. Then add your cargo. After entering the voyage and cargo details, save the voyage. If you are creating a voyage for a convoy, you will need to add your convoy in the Convoy Elements tab. Type in the name of the push barge or ship, select it in the drop-down list, and drag it to the right location of your convoy in the graphic image. Complete the cargo for each convoy, if there is one. Fill in all missing fields and press Save. The final verification step requires you to enter manually the total length and width of your convoy. Click Save again. Your voyage has been created. Select a lock and slot if this is required for your route. More information is available in the Selecting a Lock tutorial. Until recently, you always had to report mooring and unmooring by VHF radio. With Apics Barge, however, you can now do this directly in the application. Upon arrival at your destination, indicate that your ship is moored by clicking the Moor button. Create your next voyage by selecting Create Next Voyage in the menu of the Voyage Overview. According to the same principle, enter all details of your next voyage. Upon your departure, unmoor your ship by clicking the Unmoor button. When Apics Barge receives data from another reporting platform, e.g. BIX or UAB online, Apics Barge will automatically create a concept voyage from this. Voyage details and cargo data will already have been entered under this concept voyage. All you need to do is enter the missing details. Click Save to add this concept voyage.